Here's how to send emails with Wix. It's quite easy and simple to do, but make sure to watch the full video so you don't miss out on any important steps. First things first, log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, look for the Marketing and SEO option in the left-hand menu and click on to the Access Marketing Tools. Inside the Marketing Tools, you'll find Marketing Emails and click on the top to Wix Email Marketing feature. Now you'll be able to see the email marketing dashboard, and to start sending emails, Wix offers various email templates for different purposes such as announcements, promotions, and newsletter. Choose a template that suits your campaign or start from scratch. After selecting a campaign, you can customize the image to match your brand, add your logo, change color, change images, and modify the text to create a personalized and personal looking email. Before sending the email to your subscriber, always preview and test it. Once you're satisfied with the email, you can choose to send it immediately or schedule it for a specific date and time. Select your preferred option and hit publish.